Have you ever asked yourself, I want to press a button? Well, this is the game where you do the opposite of that. Oh no, I missed out on it! Oh! Bye-bye! No! Yeah, this is the game where you do the opposite. You have to press the button. I'm gonna type over here. Press it. That's better. I just fly O2. I hate you. I need to play music. It's all Coco's fault.
Yo, I just seen the ops on the block. We about to go bend real quick. I got the glee.
I swear I'm better at this game than you think I am. Okay, I'm good. Let's go. I swear I'm better at this game than you think I am. Maybe. Okay, it's right here. It's right here. Okay. Right there, right there. Still right there, right there. Right there. It's right there. Lock in. It's that one. I'm locked in on that answer. I'm locked in. It's that one. Let's go! Got it! Oh, everybody better get cooked. I'm about to get cooked. Duckies! Duckies for everybody. No! That's better. No! Okay, they're good. Bro, easy 10 points. I'm gonna aim this. I'm gonna aim my duckies.
Waffles! Waffleicious!
Waffleicious.
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 Yo, I would like to thank everybody for the clips, ABC Clever for the intro, me Dizzelli for the Coco meme, and Don't Hug Me I'm Scared for the one bit with the coin.
Krabby Patties really hit the spot.
And next time you might want to try chewing them. You're gonna blow up like a balloon.
How about the blue